Good day. You are welcome to Matex, Mathematics and Technology Skills. I am Omale Jeffrey Jojo. Thank you. I want to do the correction of the brain test assignment I gave. Somebody got it well, but let me do the correction as promised. That is Mathematics Basic 1. We have tertiary, we have secondary, and we have elementary. If you don't understand mathematics at all, please flow with me in elementary. You will get it, everything, and you will appreciate mathematics. Mathematics is very good in problem solving skills and the current technology and the many technologies to come. Mathematics, appreciate it. And its branches, computer science, statistics, etc. Okay, the correction. I gave the assignment that what must be added to d squared minus 5d to make the expression a perfect squared. To make the expression a perfect square. And solution. I said this is what I asked. Now this is the expression. Suppose d squared minus 5d. Suppose d squared minus 5d plus k is a perfect square. It's a perfect square. It's a perfect square, and it is equal. It is equal to d plus a all squared. Now, if we are having this, that is d squared minus 5d plus k is equal to d plus a all squared. Now, if you are having this, now say then d squared minus 5d plus k is equal to d plus a. Now, if you have this, you have some work to do. That is the same thing as d squared plus d times a is ad. A times d is ad plus a times a is a squared. Good. Now that means we're having this d squared plus 2ad, that's ad plus a squared. Now if you have that, then you now said by comparing coefficients, thus. Good. Now look at the expression. We're having d squared, we're having d squared. So this and this has gone. I have minus 5d, I have 2ad. So the coefficient of d here is minus 5 on the left hand side. The coefficient of d here is 2a on the right hand side. So I can compare that. That is one of the coefficients. Minus 5 is equal to 2a. And this implies that a is equal to minus 5 over 2. Therefore, a is equal to minus 5 over 2. Good. Now I need to compare other coefficients. K is a constant, a is a constant. So I have that the second coefficient is k is equal to a squared. But A is equal to minus 5 over 2. That is, K is equal to minus 5 over 2 all squared. I substituted the value of A here. So it's the same thing as what? Minus 5 over 2 multiplied by minus 5 over 2. That is the two of them, the squared, which is the same thing as minus 5 times minus 5 over 2 times 2, which is 25 over 4. So the person got it right. The answer is 25 over 4. And we'll give him his prize. We have been giving the prize for whoever that got the correct answer. And the Remy and Marvelous, Mr. Remy and Marvelous can attest to this. We don't joke with our prize. So let me give a secret here. If, for example, in my teaching, even at photo, during my tutorial, I always give the secret and the shortcut. Mr. Hillary can attest to that, building technology, when I was teaching differential equation. Now, if you are giving such a thing in an exam, they say maybe what must be added to x squared, for example, plus 6x to make it a perfect squared. In this case, I don't need to solve all this except they ask me to show work. What I need to do, I'll take the coefficient of the one that the power of x is 1. The coefficient of x here is 6. I'll divide 6 by 2 and it will give me 3, right? Then I'll square it, which is 9. So I'll now come to the expression and add it. Just like the k now, if I'm to add this, that means d squared minus 5d plus 25 over 4. Now, if it's this d squared minus 5d, the one I gave, d squared minus 5d, what I'll do in this area is what? I'll look, the one with square, I'll not take the coefficients. The coefficient of d is minus 5. Remember, if you are writing something like this, you are writing a number 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 2, for example. This is the same thing as 2 plus 3 plus minus 4 plus 2. The one at the front is the one that is carrying the sign. So this square minus 5d, the coefficient is minus 5. It's the same thing as writing d squared plus minus 5d. So the coefficient of d here is minus 5. I'll take minus 5. I'll divide it by 2 and square it, which will give me minus 5 times minus 5 is 25. This will give me 4. That is 2 squared. And it's plus. Do you know why we are adding plus? Minus times minus is equal to plus in mathematics. You get this very well during the elementary class. So that is the correction. Thank you so much.